Mr. Montana from California asked about the air conditioning on his 2012 Toyota Sienna. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now, the question was, his air conditioning in his Sienna blows nice and ice cold in the front, but blows warm in the back. So here's a couple of things of how I would approach it. It sounds like we are not low on refrigerant, because if we were, the front should be not functioning as well. So I would go to the back of the vehicle. I'm not 100% sure on the Sienna, but somewhere back there, the air conditioning lines come out of the bottom from one of the panels. One of those lines is small and one of them is large. I would feel the large line. If the large line is ice cold, then I know that we're getting cold refrigerant through the evaporator in the back. So I don't have to worry about the expansion valve. Next, I would take the temperature controls and I would go from hot to cold. I should see a difference. If I don't see a difference, then what I have is a problem with the door back there that controls whether the air flows over the evaporator, which is the cold part, or controls whether it goes over the heater core, which is the hot part. So basically, we have to decide, do we have a refrigerant problem, such as an expansion valve or something like that, or do we have an airflow problem? I'm guessing he's probably going to end up with an airflow problem. I hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.